Hey guys, today we are at the aquarium in Key West, Florida, one of Florida's oldest aquariums. Inspired by Dr. Robert Van Dusen from Philadelphia's Fairmount Park Aquarium, this aquarium was constructed between 1932 and 1934 during the Great Depression as a WPA project, an intricate piece of Roosevelt's New Deal program. It was finally opened to the public on February 17, 1935, and is the only public aquarium in Key West, and is also home to over 250 different species, including alligators, jellyfish, sharks, and more. Its biggest features that are a must-see are the touch tank with conchs, sea stars, and stingrays, and the Atlantic Shore Exhibit, a 50,000-gallon mangrove shoreline habitat with nurse sharks, tarpon, and grouper. If you're ever in Key West, I definitely recommend this spot. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next adventure.